good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, I'll be explaining how to backup photos from your gallery to Google Photos with one single option. See here, this is my camera app, right? Whatever the photo I take from this mobile will automatically gets backup to the Google Photos account. See, there is photos, Google Photos, right? This is the Google Photos app. If by any chance if your photos from the gallery are not going to the Google Photos, that may be due to the one reason. I'll tell you. Open the Google Photos app. Yeah, see here, this is the Google Photos app, right? If the photos from your gallery, the phone gallery, is not backing up to the Google Photos, this is maybe due to the one reason. One of the reason is maybe you do not have the storage space, and the another reason is backup option may be disabled. See here, at the right top corner, here at the right top corner you'll see the profile picture, right? You need to click on here, and the backup is off. As I said, this is due to disabling of the backup option. What you can do is you need to tap on this, and backup is off, right? What you need to do is you need to enable this backup option. Your backup is complete. Just with enabling this single option, you can backup your gallery photos. Whatever you take from your camera will be backing up to the Google Photos. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.